In the halls where shadows glide, gold peacocks dance, their wings spread wide. A rose in bloom, yet
Okay,
thorns
midweek recap.
entwine. Dylan Kane walks the edge of time.
So right now, I'm waiting for price to actually turn around. This is the Asia block. We've got price shooting up. The inversions annoying, the gaps annoying because we still have wicks going in. So we know it's going to be a dirty retracement. We've actually got a daily label just here. We're going to have a look to see what price action is like. If it does a big extension before coming in, then the risk to reward will be okay. But it does look like a tight range, so perhaps there'll be movement in New York. But let's still watch. So I've gone for this short. It's currently just moving off the daily gap. I'm expecting it to rally up and close. However, because I'm still in a loss, I'm actually just gonna hold it. What I do want to mention is the price has retraced up. For me, when I have a look to see, alright, cool, it's definitely gonna go for a loss, is if price closes off the 50% of this gap right here. Yeah. So you can notice that the wick's actually respecting it. So let's have a look. So now you can see the candle has rejected from that 50% line. Big engulfing candle shooting down. Favorable distribution. Let's have a look to see how it goes. And here now I've gone for my close quick scalp with the dynamic stop loss as well. It's the 4-hour gap. I don't like it. The price seems to be reacting off it this week. So yeah. Alright, welcome team. This is evaluation to funded. The daily journey where your trading discipline gets tested. And consistency is the real prize. Okay, so today the market gave us a short setup, but it's only dished out about 15 pips. That's the reality of trading. Sometimes the market doesn't give the big moves we want. But here's the thing, even though today's reward was limited, there is a bigger picture. Over the course of the week, you've got accumulation build up, and that's obviously been able to pay something out over time. Do you know what I mean? 4 days, 4 scalps. So that means a discipline to show up daily, take what the market offers, and not force extra setups is the necessity. You smell me? One trade doesn't define a trader. The week, the month, and the discipline behind the decisions, that's what builds a consistency. So it's a long-term thing, or it's much bigger than the session that you're in, and that's exactly what moves us closer to funded status. Yeah. So that's a story. I'm gonna give a basic story. Yeah. Those of you who are quicker, who are maybe not concentrating on something else, will be able to catch up to this story quicker with regards to the moral. But here we go. So it's a story about a farmer who planted bamboo. For the first year, he watered the soil every day, but nothing grew. The second year, still nothing. Third, fourth year, still the same. So people laughed at him, yeah, saying it was wasting his time. But in the 5th year, that bamboo suddenly shot up, growing over 80 feet in just a few weeks. Yeah? The truth is, the bamboo wasn't doing anything at all for those first 4 years, yeah? It was building roots beneath the surface, strong enough to support the rapid growth when the time came. So was it really doing nothing? Anyway, let me not get to the moral. Okay, so trading is the same. Some days, like today, the reward looks small at 15 pips, and that might not impress anybody. Do you know what I mean? I'm on big YouTube trying to show people where I stand, and it's not exhilarating, it's not amazing. But every discipline's decision, every careful entry, every skipped bad setup is part of the root system that you're building. You smell me? The times when it doesn't look like anything amazing. And when it's time, the growth will come fast and you'll be ready. So remember, one day doesn't define you. It's the accumulation of the discipline that pays out. Just like bamboo, your growth may not be visible every single day, but beneath the surface you're building the foundation for something much greater. Alright, this is evaluation to funded, yeah? Let's go. Where discipline builds consistency, and consistency builds traders. Students, thank you for your time.
In the halls where shadows glide, gold peacocks dance, their wings spread wide. A rose in bloom, yet thorns entwine. Dylan Kane walks the edge of time.
Okay, midweek recap.
Whispered trade, a gamble bold, cards are dealt